Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be starting on freshly washed and stretched hair. I stretch my hair by doing braids like plaits and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm gonna be parting my hair in half, like a half up half down, because I'll be doing cornrows in the front and plaits in the back. My hair is super dry at the moment. I'll be moisturizing my hair, don't worry. But as you can see, my part is not perfect because I don't have a mirror to part my hair. The part doesn't matter, trust me, because that part is not even gonna show. But 80% of doing this hairstyle, I did not use a mirror. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the Aussie Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream. Talking too fast, not pronouncing your words properly for me. Anyways, I'm gonna be using that to moisturize my hair because I find that product works really well for my hair. As you can see here, I'm parting my hair just off of what I'm feeling, because like I said, I barely use any mirror in this video to do this style. I only used a mirror when I was doing the cornrows in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair each section and comb through so I can get my hair to be very moisturized. When you're doing a protective style like this, you need to have your hair moisturized because you're gonna have this style in for like a week or two, and you don't want to leave your hair getting dry and brittle. So yeah, make sure it's moisturized all the way through. So as you can see, I'm dividing the hair into 3 sections to do the plaits. You have a whole bunch of videos here on YouTube that shows you how to plait if you don't know how to, like up close and personal and all these things. I think this is pretty up close and personal, but if you need a more in-depth or a detailed video on how to plait, I'm pretty sure there's a whole bunch here on YouTube. So that's what I'll be doing with this section. Okay, so a little fun fact. This was nighttime, like usual. I'm always doing my hair at night. I don't know why. I have all this energy at night. And I started like around 9 p.m. and I got done doing the plaits and cornrows. Like, got done doing the hairstyle 12:30. But the beads, doing the beads and all that stuff, took me like a hour and a half. So yeah, I got done like 2 in the morning. Don't judge me. Yes, your girl was, listen, you'll see with the beads, I was struggling. Yeah, until I found the easy solution to put these beads on, and you guys will see in that clip, like, come on, I could have figured that out from the start. But no, when I was almost finished, I figured out how to put the beads on fast. Alright, KK squad, see, you see the little kitchen in the back there? You see the little hair just sticking out down there, like those little hair? I am not trying to catch those tiny pieces into my braids, my plaits, because I don't want any breakage, even though they're already short. So I'm gonna just leave them because my hair will be down. So yes, I'm not gonna force them into the plaits. So don't come from my little kitchen area. It's all Gucci. Listen, it's the growth for me. Like my OGs that have been here since day one, you guys already know where I'm coming from big chop days. No, from transitioning days to big chop days to, yeah, it's the growth for me. I say this in every video because I'm just so proud of my hair. It has come a long way. If you know, you know. Like I said, the parts are not perfect, but that does not affect the hairstyle. Trust me. If I was trying to get the perfect parting for this hairstyle would take me at least 6 hours. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not about that life. It does not affect the hairstyle. So I'm finally on the last row. Woohoo! Girl, almost done, and all these things right through. Right, this is she. 2 more and I'm done. Talk to me nice. For some reason, my hair grows weird. Like the back is longer than the middle. Like it grows, I don't know. But yeah, it's healthy, it's good. I didn't cut my hair like that. It just grew that way. You know, I don't have the answers, to be honest. So your girl is all done with the plaits. Finally, looking good, looking neat, looking nice. Yes, now I'm gonna get started on my cornrows. So for my cornrows, I'm going for a slant look. So I'm gonna be parting my hair slant. That's the key for these braids. If you want them to go the direction the braid, like how you see in my thumbnail, you have to part the hair that direction, like a slant, and then the braids will come out that way. So just watch carefully how I get these braids to go the direction they are. I am going to put in as much clip as possible so you guys can see the partings and the braiding, and make sure that you guys are seeing it zoomed in and everything. So keep watching. finally done with my cornrows, done with this hairstyle. So here I have the rubber bands and the beads that I'll be using. I got these beads from my local beauty supply store, so I just pick and choose color that, you know, goes together and just blend them together. So I'm gonna use 3 to 4 beads on each braids, and this is the clip that I found that was easier to put these beads. So I am just gonna put this clip in right now just to show you guys the easiest way to put the beads on your plaits, your braids, and then I'll just go back to showing you how I started out. But both method worked, and this one is the fastest method. Just in case you guys didn't see exactly what was happening, I used a bobby pin and stick the bobby pin into the plaits and then insert the beads on the bobby pin and just scoop them up on the plaits. And then that's it. But this was how I started out doing the beading method, and this took a while, guys. It took a while. That's why it took me 1.5 hours to do the beading method. But then I figured out the first clip that I showed you, I figured that out when I was almost finished. So now you guys know.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So if you guys made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye!